Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to see who shared my post on Instagram. First of all, you can open the Instagram application. I can already open the app, and after this you can go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and here you can see your post here that you posted on Instagram. You can select the post that you see who share your post on Instagram. I can select this post. After selecting the post, you can see the option view insights at the bottom left corner of the post. Just simply tap on it, and here you can see the option share icon that writes a 2, and make sure if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do. Trying using a VPN, it's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. Now continue the video. You can see the option likes, comments, shares, or save. You can see the share icon that is right a 2 digit. You can see your numbers that how many times you can see your number that how many times your post will be shared. You can't see the person's name that shared your Instagram post because the Instagram doesn't provide any feature. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.